Okay, guys, I wish I could video this part, but you know what? It's okay. I think I have a way of explaining this. I don't know if you can see this well in the video. Okay, but the can sort of looks like that. Okay. Now we'll see. What's the shape of the top of this thing? What is the shape of it?
It's a circle.
It's a circle, right? So if I cut it off right here, I just sawed that part off and laid it flat, I'd have a circle. Would you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What about the bottom of the can?
Another circle.
Right? So if I just sawed off the bottom of it,
It's the same
then
circle.
it's the same circle too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And the thing in the middle is a centimeter.
Now, well, yeah, now I'm left with this thing, right? But it's open now, right? I could put stuff in it. Yeah? Now let me ask you this, because this is the hard part. I'm going to give Will a break for a second. What if I took that saw, the one that I cut the circles off of, okay, and I sawed it straight down, and I cut it open like that,
It'd be flat.
and then I opened it and laid it down flat? What kind of shape is that? What kind of shape is that, Will-R? It's a rectangle, right? Like this. Now I'm going to show this to the guys here in class. As if I had a sheet of paper, right? And it was solid on the top, solid on the bottom. Yes, if I cut it off, I'd have these two circles, top and bottom. And then when I cut it, it opens up to a rectangle. Yeah?
So you have to...
Well, now let me ask you then. Here's a good question, Miles. What is this length of that rectangle? Looking at this bouncy racquetball thing.
It gives you 5.
This thing is 5 inches tall, right?
Yeah.
But what's the base equal?
The circumference.
The circumference of the circle. Right? Because it wraps all circumference. There we go. Circumference of the circle. Now, if I want to find the surface area, yeah, what's the radius? Oh, look, let me get rid of this so I can see. That says 2.5, but it's pointing right at the center. And that line goes all the way through. So would you say that that 2.5 is a radius, or would you say that it's a diameter, Alberto?
Diameter.
I'd say it's a diameter because it goes all the way across. So what's the radius of that circle equal? What's it equal, Alberto?
75.
1.25, right? So the radius equals 1.25. Now I can find the circumference. The circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and the area is equal to pi r squared. Now guys, I'm going to pause this for just a second because I've got to let you go to class, but I'm going to finish this up, so watch it tonight. All right, so I am... Okay guys, now let's deal with the rectangle first. I know what the height is, and I know that the base is the circumference. So let me find that first. The circumference of the circle is equal to 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which Alberto said was 1.25, and that's right. Okay? So let's multiply these three things together, and I'm going to get 6.28 times 1.25, and then I'm going to get, let's see, 6.28 times 1.25, and the circumference is equal to 7.85. Now that doesn't give me the area of the rectangle, that gives me the length of the base. To get the area, I have to multiply 7.85 times 5. Alright, so I'm going to do that, and so now I know that the area is 39.25 inches squared. Okay, that's the surface area of the rectangle. Now I need to find it for the circle. But remember, I only have to find it for the circle once, because once I found it for it once, I just multiply it by 2, and that gives it for both of the circles. Okay? So the area of that circle is going to be 3.14, right? Pi times 1.25 squared. Now guys, you're going to remember, I always do exponents first. Okay? So I need to square 1.25, and that's going to give me 1.5625 times 3.14, and then let's see what that gives us. That's going to give us 4.90625. All right? Now,